Swung on, hit in the air to left. It's going to bounce off the wall. Kuiper is going to round first, but he's going to stay there. And he's in there with a long, long single. There's a strike. It fouled straight back, and we're going to have a full count now. And he walked him. There's another one, but this time it's in there, 1-1. There's a strike, and it's 2-2. Got her, 1 down. That is a strike. There's another one, and Tegan's starting to come back from a 4-0 count. Got him, 2 down now. There's a strike. I believe that hit something. Got her, and the inning is over. Next up is Tegan Murda as he lines one into left center field. There's a base hit picked up by Kuiper, and everyone's going to be safe, and that will bring up Ethan. Into left center field, it gets by Kuiper, and it's going to go to the wall. Robinson will round third, and she will stay at third, and the bases are going to be shocked with bolts here. There's another one. It's going to be 1-2 now. Swung on. Popped up near the mound. Nobody sees it. No one's going to get it. It's going to drop down for a hit. Murda's going to come across to score, and it's 1-0 Bolt. Tegan Murda fouls one back. There's another strike. Swung on, fouled back. Another one. Next pitch. And that was ball. What next? Got him! 1 gone. That's the right one. Swung on, hit in the air to right field and deep. Sabrina goes back to the fence and it's gone. That's going to be a 3-run shot. Excuse me, a grand slam for Ethan. I thought it was 4-1. Third Vulcan now. It's a nice swing, and he gets him out, and that is the end of the inning. What'd I miss? Carl! Oh my! And he fouls one straight back, 2 strikes. The payoff. Almost there, but he walked him. Bill Power. No. Like that.
Shut up, Joey.
And he walked him, though I couldn't tell because someone's in the way. That'll be 2-2 now. Got him! Me. Grounder to third. Vulcan picks it up, and there will be no throw. That should be an E6. Aiden Williams up to bat as he hits a high fly ball to left field. It's going to be a grand salami for Aiden Williams. And that is a 5-run inning, and the inning is over for second inning of work. That's popped up near the first base side. Jan will make the catch, and that is 1 gone. There's another strike, and it's 1-2. Fouled straight back, and it's again 1-2. Once again, the 1-2. And he broke the plane. That's a strikeout, and there are 2 gone now, and that'll bring up Ethan. Yes.
Yeah. Hey, you're right.
2 pitch. Got him, and the inning is over. Here we are, top of the 3rd inning. Amy's up at the plate with Ethan on the mound for his second inning of work. Swung on and missed, 0-2. Got her! Out 1. On the ground to first, picked up by Gabby. She will step on it. 3 unassisted. 2 gone now. Swung on, hit in the air to left center field. There's a base hit. Picked up by Murda. He will throw to second, and it's bobbled by Ethan, and Carl has himself a 2-out double. Swung on, hit in the air to left, but foul. On the ground to first, picked up by Gabby. She will go to first, 3 unassisted, and that is the 3rd out. And he walked him. Yeah, that's what softball girls do. As there's a drive into deep left field. Everyone goes back. A game-winning home run for Gabby. And the Bolts win it 6-5.
I knew that was gonna happen. It has to be Gabby. If it wasn't anyone else. Nice pitch.
So here's game 3, the final game of the Dolphins versus Bolts series. Kuiper's on the mound for this one as Gabby shoots one the other way, foul. Next pitch. Swung on, into center field. It's going to drop down for a base hit. It's picked up by Sabrina. Gabby's going to hold it first, and she has a leadoff single. First pitch. Fouled straight back. Whoa, that ball is launched right into the trees. But it's foul. The next pitch. In the air, that's going to drop down into left center field for a base hit. Gabby rounds second. She was going to head to third. And there are Bolts at the corners now with no one gone. Oh, and 2 on Ethan. And he struck him out. Here's Jarrett Bolkin now. Fouls one. Yep, that's a foul ball. And he swings the bat with one hand and he gets a strikeout out of it. Line into center field, there's a base hit. Sabrina will go to second, there is an out, and that will be the end of the inning. I don't know. On the ground to third, picked up by Bolkin, there will be no throw, and Kuiper is aboard with an infield single. Swung on, hit in the air to left, but foul. Got him! Swung on and missed. 3-2. The payoff pitch. Just a bit outside, and the Kuiper siblings have been walked this inning. There's a strike, and it's 2-1. There's a strike, and we're gonna have another full count hit pitch. Got him! 2 down. 1-1. The 2-2. Swung on, hit in the air to center field and deep. Everyone's gonna sit back and watch it fly. That is a 3-run home run for Amy Knutson, and she is not even wasting her time around the bases.
Oh yeah. Sound like butter for you. I'm not sure how it's
Now up is Anya as she swings at something even Gary Sanchez wouldn't. That one is worth swinging, and she gets a piece of it. 0-2. Payoff. And Anya draws a walk. 0-2. Got him! That is the end of the inning. That ball is smoked.
I should have ran out there.
And it's in the tree, and it hasn't come down. It's stuck in the tree. Swung on, in the air to left.
No. No. That's foul. Very close.
Wow, a very huge yet anticlimactic home run for Tegan Murda. Nothing before that. Why don't we cut him some slack as that one's hit well. And it's a grounder in the left center field. Ethan's just going to hold it first for a base hit. 0-2. And he strikes him out. There's a curveball and it's on the ground but foul. Swung on, fouled back. And he got her, strike 3. Woo! There's a curve and it's swung on, hit in the air to left. That's gonna drop down and it's gonna bounce off the wall. Ethan rounds second, heads to third. Murda will cruise into second with a double. Once again, the payoff and it swung on, hit in the air to center, and that ball's gone. 3-run shot, Ethan. And I've pretty much lost count of the scores. Well, I have horrible depth perception then. Got him! Swung on and missed 3-1. And he walked him. There's a strike. Oh. There's a curve, and that's on the outside corner, 0-1. And another walk, and the bases are swarming with Dolphins here. I'd say that's better. Got. Swung on, popped up near the mound. Murda's under it, makes the catch, and he throws it away! He throws it away! And 1 run's gonna score. Sister's over there.
Why would I be interested?
Yes. He's right here in the chair.
I know, I see him.
Got him!
What's up, my dude?
Swung
Oh, yeah!
left field. That ball is going to be a grand slam home run for John Kuiper. And that is going to be the end of the inning, as it is now, I don't know, the Dolphins take a 3-run lead, I think. Broke back a bit. Swung on, hit in the air to right. It's going to bounce off the wall. Robinson rounds third. She's going to head home. The throw in is offline. And it is now 8-5 Bolt. That helps the ball move any better. And that'll be another walk issued, and the bases are electrified or shocked with bolts, whatever analogy you want to use. Swung on, hit in the air to center field and deep. That is going to be a go-ahead grand salami for Gabby, and as she has done it to Aiden Williams once again.
Oh my God.
Simp.
What is that, 3 of them now to her? Maybe. There's probably more. I probably threw more than Joey, honestly.
On the ground into left field, that's going to be a base hit, bobbled by Kuiper, and Tegan's aboard with a no-out single. There's a strike, and it's 1-2. Got him! And he fouls one off. And he's swing and miss. Yep. Got him! 2 down now. Oh my! The payoff. Swung on, hit in the air to left center field and deep. That is a 2-run homer for Gabby Robinson. And she extends the Bolts lead to I don't even know how much anymore.
Yeah, you would say that now to Walker.
Swung on, hit in the air to left field and deep. That's over the picnic area. And that is going to be a solo shot, and it's 12-8 Bolts.
There you go. Run, run, run.
All right. Let's go. There you go.
Walk,
run. Swung on, hit in the air to center field and deep. Bulkin goes back. It's a game-winning walk-off grand slam home run for John Kuiper, and the Dolphins win it 14-12. Whole game over. Dolphins win. All right. Series. Lucas Ramey on the mound. I believe he went around. That is. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. And that's strike 3 called. That will be 1-1. Okay. One champ has yet to receive a ring. And he has issued a walk to Blake in his first plate appearance of the year. Right down the middle for Ethan. 1-2. And he got him. Not even lifting the bat off of his shoulder, and that is the end of the inning. The payoff pitch is on its way, and that'll be another walk. Swung on in the ground into left center field, picked up by Murda. 1 run will score, and that'll be pretty much it. 1-0 Dolphins. On the ground to short, picked up by Ethan, and it gets by him. Another run scores, 2-0 Dolphins. Up the middle, back to the mound. He will get Aiden at third. Sabrina comes across to score. It is now 3-0. Oh, lined into left field. That's going to be a base hit. Ramey rounds third and is going to score. The throw there is offline. Amy is going to try and go to third. Count. Got him. Inning of work facing Dakota. Oh, right to short. Kuiper picks it up, fires to first, not in time, and Dakota's going to have himself a base hit. That'll be a walk issued to Tegan. And that's going to be a foul back, 0-1. No, she did not. That'll be ball 4. Payoff. Low, ball 4, and that'll walk in a run. Are you kidding? That's a base hit. Never mind, that is a fielder's choice for Dakota as Lucas picks it up and gets Gabby at home.
Oh, wait. Dude, I think I heard it.
It's on its way. Got her. Got him. That's the end of the inning. The 1-2. On the ground into third, picked up by Ethan. He will make no throw, and Sabrina's aboard with a base hit. On the ground to short, picked up by Ethan. He will make no throw, and once again, everyone is safe. On the ground into first base territory, picked up by Myers. No one is going to score. Swung on, hit in the air to center field. That is going to get down for a base hit. Sabrina scores. Williams is rounding third. He will head home. It's a 2-run single for Amy Knutson, and the Dolphins are starting to come through swimmingly in this game. Pun entirely intended. Owen. Oh my! There's a drive into deep right field, and Dakota almost robbed it. That's going to be a 3-run homer for Anya. Her second one of the year. She could be a spot in the All-Star game. That is 5, and that is the end of the inning. How he didn't hit that. But he hit that one on the ground to short, picked up by Ramey, and everyone is going to be safe. The payoff. Swung on, hit in the air to left field and deep. That ball is gone. It's a grand slam home run for Gabby. And the Bolts have blown the door open. And Lucas here disrespecting the batter. Here's Blake Schulte now as oh my, he breaks the bat and it's over the fence. How about that? A broken bat home run for Blake Schulte. On the ground to short. And it's going to be a base hit for Ethan. Swung on, hit in the air to left. That ball is going to be gone off the picnic area. A 2-run homer for Dakota, his second of the year. Lined up the middle into center field. There is a base hit. Into right field.
Oh shit, sorry.
Swung on. Hit in the air to right center. That ball is gone. It's another slammy for Ethan. And I've lost count of the score. It's John Kuiper facing Dakota Myers, and he swings and hits one to left center field. That ball is gone. Another solo shot for Dakota Myers, his third of the year. Second of the game. Swung on. Popped up into right field. Sabrina and Williams are under it. And she drops the ball in fair territory, and then it goes over the fence. It's a solo shot for Tegan. His second career left-handed home run, and it's now 16-9. 1. Swung on, hit in the air to center field and deep. It's going to bounce off the wall. And that'll be a long single for Robbie.
Yeah! That's out, baby! Finger!
John Kuiper hits one to third. Tegan throws over to first in time, one gone. On the ground, down the line, fair ball. It bounces into the corner, picked up by Murda, and Jan is going to hold in at first with a single. Lined right into short. Sabrina's going to have a base hit. Jan's thinking about going to third, and he will. Grounder right to Dakota. He will pick up, throw to first, not in time. Jan comes across to score. Full count. Swung on, hit in the air to left center field and deep. And Lucas Ramey has his first homer of the year. And he is going to walk around the bases. Got her. The winning pitcher, who would have thought? Lined into left center. That's going to be a base hit. And Anya's aboard with a single. Brutal. Swung on, hit in the air to left. Ethan is under it. He will make the catch, and the Bolts win it. And even more surprising than that, Blake Schulte is the winning pitcher. Ball game over. Bolts win it.